traders. Okay, let's get started with today's technicals. There's not much going on. I've only got two setups, but for now let's look at the DXY. We can see it's at a point of interest. This for me is a plan A and a rally to the upside, and obviously plan B would be a stop hunt of this large zone which is in confluence with some liquidity and a 1, 2 and a third tap. So there's plan A and plan B on the cards. In terms of an entry, you know, I need to see some form of a schematic that's going to let me trade it. So something like this would be ideal. Let me just remove this real quick. Something like this will be ideal. This is why we need to remain patient and let the market form and evolve. So right now, again, look, we've got some potential equal lows. If I see this schematic, such as this, some equal lows and then a stop hunt and a rally, then I'll be looking to get involved. So I'll be looking for this schematic at either plan A or plan B somewhere here. Just keeping it really simple. So whenever price develops and it's giving me the green light to enter, this is when I'll be looking to get involved on a long. So plan A is on the cards. Plan B is also a possibility, but it really on where exactly we'll be entering and when. So in terms of exits, we can see something like this is in confluence with a potential third tap. There's a bit of structure here. So right now, this is the game plan for DXY. Keeping it really simple, I'm either taking a plan A or plan B when the schematic comes. Next on the list, and the only trade I can see early this week, is New Zealand CAD. So New Zealand CAD is something we forecasted. Again, we saw the strong momentum to the downside. We have broken the momentum to the downside, took out this trend line. It's now formed a correction to retest this level of liquidity. If we zoom in here, what can we see? I did mention that plan A was likely to get stopped out. So let me just do this again. So we've got one tap, we've got a second tap, which is in confluence with the liquidity. We also have the equal highs, as you can see. I was expecting this to be plan A. It's played out, but I'm also expecting our higher probability trade, which is plan B, which is a stop hunt of the first stop hunt. These equal highs, they've been stopped out by this fella. So this fella has stopped out the previous equal highs, and now I'm expecting a second stop hunt. This is where I'll be looking to get involved on an entry. So it's a schematic I trade over and over again. Again, we've got the equal highs. Let me just highlight it here. Got the equal highs and the liquidity just above is played out. My favorite setup is when we see the equal highs, we see a stop hunt, and then there's another stop hunt. This is my favorite setup, and this is what's happening now. We've got a stop hunt of the first double top, and now there's going to be a second stop hunt. Also, what I like about this trade is the fact that price is approaching my level in a compressing manner. It's not impulsively, it's compressing. One of the reasons I never really entered the first position is because it approached it impulsively, as you can see. So I wasn't really interested, even though, okay, cool, it would have played out. But this one is more likely to be in my territory, which is compression. If it can just continue just a little bit further, then this is the sort of trade I'll be looking to get involved in. So this is New Zealand CAD. I've got plan A here, which is a high probability. And this would be the extreme scenario as a plan B. So this is the game plan for New Zealand CAD. Take profit 1 would be this level of unfilled liquidity, and further long-term profits is the start of this pattern. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.